NeuroShell Trader is the software tool you'll reach for again and again to quickly build and backtest trading systems. Use your rules, indicators, and formulas to analyze today's volatile markets without writing any code. Today's markets are tougher than ever to analyze. NeuroShell Trader gives you an edge with the genetic algorithm optimizer to fine-tune your trading ideas. You can optimize trading systems for profit, to minimize drawdown, or choose from a number of other objectives. Speed is essential when you're evaluating a large number of systems. Our genetic algorithm optimizer is capable of optimizing a large number of parameters in far less time than traditional brute force optimizers that try every possible combination. Our genetic algorithm does things that no other software can do. You can not only find optimal parameters, such as time periods, but find which rules or indicators should be used all at the same time. Our genetic algorithm can even find optimal stop and limit prices. A special feature helps prevent overfitting by selecting more general systems that have a better chance of working on future price data. We'll show you how NeuroShell Trader works by building some indicators, which are the basis for most trading strategies and neural nets. You can enter formulas and complex indicators by a point-and-click indicator wizard. No programming or scripting language is required. Just go to the Insert menu, New Indicator, select an indicator category such as Averages, Next. Simple Moving Average selects the indicator, and now we can enter multiple time periods for the moving average. Two different moving averages are built in one pass through the indicator wizard. You may also use the indicator wizard to build complex indicators. As an example, we'll build an indicator that subtracts the adaptive moving average of the close from the moving average of the close. We'll later use this indicator to create a trading system. To begin, we go to the Insert menu, select New Indicator, look for the arithmetic category, find Subtract, set the first operand to the moving average. Again, going back into the indicator wizard. We'll go with the default. For the second operand, we'll look at an adaptive moving average. Again with default parameters. Click Finished. The indicator's graphed on the chart. Now we're going to build a trading system later on that looks at the relationship between this complex indicator and 0. To build a trading strategy using our indicator, we once again go to the Insert menu, select New Trading Strategy, No Template, Next. Now we're on the Long Entry tab and we have to enter a condition. Back into the indicator wizard, we look for the relational category and we want to select the A is greater than B indicator. We'll make A equal to our indicator and we'll set B equal to 0. Say OK and Finished, and that completes our long entry condition. We're going to build a reversal system, so we don't need a long exit. We go to the Short Entry tab, activate it, add conditions. Now we could go through all of the steps we just did previously, but look at this current wizard. We click on that, select Inputs, select A is greater than B, our previous condition, and say OK. But we're not finished. We need to modify it to reverse it. Click on Modify Condition, select A is greater than B, hit the back button, and we just select A is less than B. Now we're finished with our short entry rule. When the optimization is finished, the trading signals are displayed on the chart. Blue triangles are long entries, while red triangles signify a short signal. To get a better overall picture of how the system works, we'll add an equity curve. We go back to the Insert menu, Select New Indicator, Trading Strategy System Information, and System Equity. If you don't have any trading rules in mind, the program includes some pre-built systems to get you started. To create a neural net, you can select any of the trader's 800 indicators as an input. You can also include other instrument data such as an index. The net learns to make predictions based on the relationship between that data and what you are trying to predict. We start with the Insert menu, select New Prediction, No Template. Now we add the indicators for the model. We'll first look in the Price Momentum Indicators and select CCI. We'll go with the default parameters. Next, we'll go to the Change category and select the rate of change %. For our last indicator, we're going to add a regression slope indicator. When we're finished choosing inputs, you can set options for training the model, such as the number of shares, trading costs, etc. Once we've set up the model, we train the neural net and let the genetic algorithm optimizer find the long and short entry points. When the optimization is finished, we can examine model details. We select the optimization period and click on Prediction Analysis. You get the general trading statistics trade by trade. On the Input Contributions tab, you can see a relative measure of the importance of each of the indicators to the model. The finished model displays buy-sell signals on the chart. We've added an equity curve to aid our analysis. You can use neural nets to build different types of models than the one we've shown here. For example, the net may be used to predict another indicator rather than the price. The NeuroShell Trader also lets you build combinations of neural nets and trading rules.